I don't believe in fretting or grieving. Why mess around with strife? I wasn't cut out to step and strut out. Give me the simple life. Some find it pleasant, dining on pheasant. Those things roll off my knife. Just give me tomatoes and mashed potatoes. I'll take the simple life. A cottage small is all I'm after, not one that's spacious and wide. A house that rings with joy and laughter, and the ones you love inside. Life could be thrilling with one who's willing to be a farmer's wife. Kids call me pappy, that make me happy. Give me the simple